Continuing coverage now, a criminal expert weighs in on Monday's SWAT and narcotics raid in Mobile that left a 16-year-old boy dead.
WKRG News 5's Asher Red joins us now. And Asher, you asked about two tactics used by Mobile police.
Yeah, and the focal point of this controversy hits on the Mobile Police Department's decision to conduct this raid in the pre-dawn hours. Pre-dawn raids are often used by police to cloak themselves in the element of surprise.
I don't think that's true at all.
However, Farhang Hidari, an assistant professor of law at the Vanderbilt Law School, says pre-dawn search warrants actually puts officers and citizens in harm's way.
Yeah, you're going to surprise someone. And when you surprise someone in their home in the middle of the night, whether they're a law-abiding citizen or a criminal, the chances that they're going to reach for a firearm are much greater.
From the beginning, the Mobile Police Department has called this a knock-and-announce warrant. Under the knock-and-announce rule, Hidari says police are usually supposed to wait 15 to 20 seconds from the time they knock on the door to the time they breach the door.
15 to 20 seconds is not a lot of time in the middle of the day when people are, in their kitchen or living room. It is completely insufficient at night.
Mobile Police Chief Paul Prine said on Monday that officers made multiple attempts to knock and announce before entering the home.
When we do a knock and announce, the idea that we knock and announce is to alert everyone, not only in the home but outside the home, that our presence is there and that we're coming in.
Prine says at least 5 people were in the home when the SWAT team entered, with the youngest in the home being just 8 years old. Police say they encountered 16-year-old Randall Ajesum, who pointed a laser-sighted handgun at them, prompting officers to shoot and kill him. However, the man police were looking for wasn't even there.
No marijuana warrants worth anybody dying.
MPD's narcotics unit had been investigating the property the week leading up to the raid, following complaints from neighbors for suspected drug activity and distribution.
It's totally reasonable for people to ask for help. But it's the police department's job to think about what's the appropriate response.
And Hidari doesn't think this was the appropriate response.
Just because you have a SWAT team doesn't mean you have to use it.
Placed an immediate suspension on all Mobile police pre-dawn raids. He has also asked former U.S. Attorney of the Southern District of Alabama, Kenyon Brown, to review MPD's policies, procedures, and training as it pertains to use of force. The findings of that review will be made public in the next 90 days. Live in the studio, I'm Asher Red, WKRG News 5.